Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Alright, so now I'm done with my power walk. I'm home and I need to make my lunch. So my lunch for today is this. I have a ground meat, and then I have a potato and onion. So I'm just gonna, mix it all together, and at the end I'm gonna put egg, so looks like omelette. So first I'm going to peel the potato. So I don't have a peeler, so I just use the knife. Okay, so I'm peeling the potato. This is how I peel the potato. I wish I have a peeler so it's more quick. Peel the potato. I only need one potato. I don't really a big fan of potato, but if you don't put a potato, it's it didn't look like an omelette. So okay, so I'm just gonna get rid of this, and then after this I'm going to peel the onion. Okay, I'm just get half of this. I don't need too many onions, okay, because this is not too many. It's just a little bit of onion, a little bit of potato, and I think that's cool. All good as long as there's an onion taste and a potato and a ground meat and an egg. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the onion like this. Oh, make me cry. Okay, just like that. And I'm going to cut, oops, I'm going to cut the potato, and then after that I'm gonna wash it before I put on the fry pan. Okay, so I just cut like this, and then just cut it on a little cubes like this. You don't need two big cubes, just small cubes of potato. Okay, just like this, kind of cubes. Okay, just a little bit, not too big. So just keep cutting your potato, and then after that wash, of course, and then heat the fry pan, and let's do this. All right, so now I'm done with the cutting, and then I'm ready to wash. I'm gonna wash this, and then I'm gonna heat my fry pan. Let's go, guys. Prito na natin. Alright, so first, let's fry the onion. This is a simple way, Alright, and then let's put the potato. Okay, let's wait a few minutes until we cook the potato. Put the ground meat, okay? Just put the ground meat. There you go. And let's just mix it with this potato, okay? Let's wait until the ground meat gets brown, and then now we can put some spices like salt. I just use salt, simple, okay? Just use salt, and then just mix it with the potato, and let's wait until the ground meat cook and get brownish. Alright, now while I'm waiting the ground meat to cook, I need to scrambled eggs. So it's up to you. You can use 2, you can use 4, but I'm gonna use 3, okay? Because I love eggs. So let's scramble the eggs. this is how I scramble the eggs. And I'm gonna show you one thing, guys. If you see the egg, there is a white over here. I'm gonna take that off. The white one, this one. See this one? I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna throw this away because we don't eat that. Now I'm going to start to scramble this, because after my ground meat is cooked with the potato, I'm gonna put it all on this egg to mix it, and then I'm gonna fry it one more time. Okay, I'm gonna fry it again. So this is how I scramble the eggs. Alright, so now guys, it's time to mix the ground meat with potato into the egg. Okay, so let's do this. Let's mix like that. Just put it all in there. And then I'm gonna fry this one like an omelette. I've already drained the oil, so it's all good. Okay, and then all we're gonna do is just mix this with the egg like that. Okay. Ground meat, potato, and onion. That's all you need. And eggs. Alright, so now I'm ready. Let's fry this. Alright, so make sure that you heat the oil into the fry pan, and then we're going to put the egg. Okay, so I'm just gonna make one scoop at a time. So I think just like that, and then just put it right here. There you go. Like that. And then we're going to flip this up. Okay, and then I'm gonna flip this up. Just flip it up, and like that. There you go. This is how I do my ground meat omelette. Hi guys, now I'm done. I'm ready to eat. But you know what? I missed one thing. Alright, I'll show you. There you go. Here is my omelette ground meat. And I have a corn soup. And as usual, my instant or Japanese rice. So again, a leftover last night, so I don't want to waste it, so I'm gonna eat this one first. But I don't want to go out just to buy that one. You know what, guys, what I missed, guess what do you think is missing on this? Smells good. Ketchup. Oh my gosh, if you just put a ketchup on top of it, oh my goodness, so yummy. But anyways, that's all I got. Okay, so just eat what you have. Okay, so itadakimasu. Let's eat, guys. Let's taste it. All right, taste this one and let's see how it tastes. So good. Tastes good, guys. Try this. It's very, very simple. All you need is onions, potatoes, ground meat, and eggs. That's all. So have a good day. Today is Monday here in Japan, and it's a golden week, so I'm off for a week. That's why I have a lot of time to make a content and make a video for you guys. So if you want to try to cook this one, try it, guys. It's very, very simple. Okay, it's very simple. So watch my video on how to cook this one, and thank you for watching.